Minister Nongthongban Biren says the Prime Minister has been requested to lay foundation of Sports University by mid-August. Minister Shyam Kumar announces 20 lakh rupees from local area fund for differently abled persons of Andro constituency. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Mann Ki Baat calls for making 2017 as a year for resolve. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitangma Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren today says Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been requested to lay the foundation stone of National Sports University in Manipur, and the construction will begin by mid-August. Biren told media persons during his visit to the site for the sports university. The university will be constructed at a site carved out of 3 villages, namely Kotruk, Senjam Chirang and Senjam Kuno village. The Chief Minister further said the only sports university in India is going to be constructed in Manipur, and that it is a huge step taken by the Prime Minister for the sports persons of the state. He said there is no controversy regarding land for the construction of the university. People accorded a warm welcome to Chief Minister Biren, who was accompanied by PWD Minister T.H. Biswajit, YAS Minister Letfao Haukip, MLA H. Dingo, MLA L. Sushildro, Chief Secretary R.R. Rashmi when he arrived at the site. People of the area pressed the Chief Minister not only for immediate construction of the university, but also for compensation to those who sacrificed their land for the construction of the university. The Chief Minister assured the people of fulfilling their demands. The villagers also appealed to the Works Minister to repair roads and villages.
Jatahi hunbaga koi tambadi hogdorobani university se koi start hogdorobani madugi damta koi khumalna pakta loina sem saba lore haunna bagi building sing kari office oina ba khona ba loina koi already koi finance department planning dagi 5 crore pir kanda sem ba saba khotpa loi lore ai honorable prime minister laga to voice mayam na su manipur gi miyam daina appeal tongning si sugumba ma amata ngai ba potsak ama manipur praja gi damta manipur gi sanaroi sing bu khangbiraka manipur gi sanaroi sing nga si bharat gi damta prithvi da saktak na poraiba laurels madugi mayam se mana matum mingset mayam se khangbi na to roi si gi damta koi prime minister lakwa kanda ai koi mayam chang na receive toksi aduga prime minister lak na bu su koi mayam chang na request tong minasi.
The Chief Minister further says a 30-member team including doctors, paramedics led by Health Director has already gone to Churachandpur to fight the spread of dengue, swine flu, Japanese encephalitis and to provide treatment to infected villagers of Hangleb. He said around 100 persons were shifted from Hangleb to Churachandpur and vehicles have been sent out to bring the remaining people today. He said the medical team is now stationed at Youth Hostel Churachandpur and they will provide treatment. He said the diseases were spread from Myanmar and the situation is not alarming as a medical team is already there.
Airport ta laiba khoi gi fever yang na ba machine do adu pai ba timma more gi check point check post lairani ziri gi check post ama lairani adu ga maroina Churachandpur gi behangi area da su hari mam pham hum je thamakanda Myanmar rom da gi kari da gi sumaina fever si laiba Sumbalaina sida chenable leba mi lak price koi check toba ngasi dagi hograni haitare hekta chahi tara manga kunsi de manipur je pungang lang na sema budona hekta loire budona ngang gi mayam tabirong gani ado taukan de Shaktiman bok changba ya de lambi akoi keno de thengnari sini henglep to ju Shaktiman bok changba ya ba leiram dre na haida aduna manipur gi singi area da hai bai wani singmi praja singna waruri se amarom da dum ya eba sathina pibam so ga leba laiba government sigi my Works Minister priority Sugumba areas the priority Pirkanda Lokana Honobudo Maduni.
Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar today announced 20 lakh rupees from MLA Local Area Fund for the differently abled persons from Andro constituency. He made the announcement during the 8th Foundation Day celebration of Cradle for Disabled Union at Yairipo Community Hall. Shyam Kumar said one must not look down on someone. He asked the differently abled persons not to be disheartened and have faith in themselves. The minister also assured them of all possible support with the help of Social Welfare Department and the minister concerned. Gifts were also presented to differently abled persons at the event.
mina toyo mi ara singadu pada pada waktu lalu mana tujuh besar nolong masa saya tanah koi Hindu satu kaya aku mina toyo mi ara singadu koi nama kamu isian na namdan kong nama tiye pi nama pudre mi pudre ada keno tahu deh tapi pun itu nanya sudah ini pernah maksud jangan pernah mesti biwa aku mari kusian isol mari kusian mana sih mesin thare mesin nama ada aku amal dengan musim salah.
Handicapped Development Foundation Manipur organized one-day discussion program on the inconveniences faced by differently abled persons at Manipur Press Club today. A parents' organization will be formed to urge the government to address the problems facing the differently abled persons. MP Dr. Tokchom Mainya today inaugurated Ideal Teachers Training Academy at Sajiwa Jail Gate, Kongnang Makong. The college, established by Ideal People Society, offered various courses including B.Ed and social work. The first session of the college, which is recognized by Manipur University, will commence in August. People today held sit-ins in different areas of Sagolban in support of the demand of Kangli Park Students Association to introduce inner line permit in the state. Women held demonstrations at Bijoy Govinda Nepra Manjor Lekai, Nepra Mamang Lekai of Sagolban, demanding protection of indigenous people. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur staged a sit-in demanding inclusion of Meitei Mitai in the Scheduled Tribe list at Kaisampat Lemajam Lekai Community Hall today. Convener of the committee, Mutum Churamani, says the committee has not withdrawn its demand. He said the only way to protect the indigenous Meitei community is to include in the Scheduled Tribe list. He urged the government to press the Center for inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list.
Meitei se sahi kun gi matungda Meitei gi lamdam sidai da akhoi chauthok chana leijari base leibam leiraroi haibasini masi makhoi su understand tawbi aduna athuba matamda any member amana house ta puthok pirak bu weraga su natraga cabinet na puthok pi bu weraga su sungsoi soidana athuba matamda tawbirakani haibagi thajabadu phawbudi makhoi ga unajaruba matamda thambiri ba wafam singduna akhoi da ngasi phawbudi ngaijari adubu politician haibase politician ni makhoi da loina bak thajaba thambadi yade Manipur gi chanabi ama oina ihou tawdragadi natraga tias gi rasta kapna dragadi issue mata pass tawdaba issue mata solution poraktabaduna maram warkanda akhoi ngasi phawbudi makhoina hairiba singdo chapchana thajaba thamme haibadudi ngamdri adubu yengba tai.
People of Tentha Mayai Legai today staged a sit-in demanding the government to punish the member of 9 Tentha Zilla Parisad who misappropriated a large amount of money without carrying out any work for the people. The protest was organized by Kangla Youth Club Tentha Mayai Legai in front of the club. Speaking to media persons, member of Kangla Youth Club M. Rajesh says there is a large pond in the locality which had existed for more than 40 years. He alleged that the member included the pond in the work program of 2016 and drew 14 lakh rupees. He said what is more surprising is that the member drew funds to dig the pond in 2016 and drew funds to repair the same pond in 2014.
Ila Paisan member asina aikogi order number 25 July 2016 da haiba order sithoki kamaino haibo construction of public pond at Tentha Pukhi Achoba with fencing and staircase havni aduga koi haiba Pukhi Achoba je masida fencing tori base masiju pra full tawunte khara khaktani aduga staircase mana saina haiba mari je saba karimta leite aduga mana haiba Pukhi Achoba Tentha mel kai da leiba Pukhi se mana tawi hariba je oidabwani.
Border Trade Chamber of Commerce and Tamil Sangam More donated 485 bags of pulses to the Chief Minister Flood Relief Fund to help the people who were hit by the recent floods in the state.
Today, We are happy to announce that we are donating 1 truckload of dal comprising of 485 bags to the flood affected victims in Manipur. This is just a token gesture. Whatever we can do, we have done, and I hope this will fulfill at least some of the difficulties that the people are facing.
Dry fish dealers of Ngari Gali, Imphal and Kakching Municipal Council donated 1 lakh rupees and 50,000 rupees respectively to Chief Minister's Relief Fund. They handed over the help to Chief Minister Nongthongbam Bireng today. Nongthongbam Buddha from Luang Sangbam also donated 1,000 rupees to the relief fund. MS Sound and Electrical organized a free health camp for the people affected by the recent floods at Hidangmayom Mantop, Khongman Mangzil and Khongman Zone 1. Many people from Khongman Zone 1 and Zone 2, including women and children, got their health checkup and free medicines at the medical camp. Two Assam Rifles along with Friends Club Taubal also held a mega health camp for the flood-affected people of Taubal district at Taubal Mela ground today. Assam Rifles doctors checked up the people and distributed free medicines. Awareness program on Beti Bachao, Beti Parao, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the aim to save and educate daughters of the country was held at the community hall of Sri Sri Govindaji Temple at Palace Compound. It was organized by Beti Bachao, Beti Parhao, BJP Manipur Pradesh. Speaking at the event, convener of BBPP BJP Manipur Pradesh, L. Lotika said parents should not feel dejected when they give birth to a baby girl, and they must feel that there is no difference between a boy and a girl.
Beti Bachao, Beti Parhao ki makhada Prime Minister na puthok pa yam phajaba scheme ma Sukanya Samriddhi account haiba nupi macha chahi tara gi makhada leiba singna mama mapa na yaubi ka toba icha nupi sigi maming da hangbi ka toba account ni lupa lising amma khaktang tham ga toba chahi amada masi post office ta hang ga toba ni masi ki scheme se ka toba gi sem ki bando icha sina hayeng mapung marai phara akanda chahi tarani pan subakanda paisa si tangkhai lothok pi bayagan full di aroi full di chahi kun ma thoida hayeng angang sina chahi kun ma thoi subada lak taru kalising humda manga phanghan ba dugum scheme ni akhoi icha nupi sing se phajana boise laila su taman bagi masi paisa gi scheme music laire icha nupi angang oina pokpa sing si phajana sembi sabiraga makhoi si po e hai bagi nungnang bigano wakhan polum lei bigano phajana sembiyu.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 4th Foundation Day of International Innovative Institute was held today at Oinam Usak Kandabi Community Hall in Oinam Bazaar. Speaking at the event, Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore says education helps in bringing out the good qualities in individuals, and the society can develop only when people respect people. People of Uripo constituency today staged a sit-in demanding proper distribution of PTS items under National Food Security Act at Uripo, Khoistam Lekai. The protest was organized by Uripo Nupi Apunba Lup Unal. Convener of Unal, Thogdam Jivan Lata says PDS items for 6 months from October last year to March this year have not been distributed to the beneficiaries of the constituency. She said a card holder used to receive 5 kg of rice per month, but ever since BJP came to power, a card holder received 4 kg of rice per month from April to June this year. She said they consider the matter very seriously. She also said the beneficiaries suspected that some people have misappropriated the items meant for the poor people. She appealed to the authority concerned to make NFSA items available to the beneficiaries of the constituency.
National Food Security Act haidana laibasi national ge thakta lakpa adugumlaba ek amage makhada lakpa potlamni sigi marum sida moina ek sida singnarakpa amadi exibo thugai banena khallaga ex MLA hana oiramba adagi hauji panbiriba deputy CM yumnam joinasu ek asibo thugai rabani moigi mathakta एक्शन लौखटफम थोकपनी एक्स नोमिनीना प्रजादा फंगन बिगदबनी अथुबा मतमदा अखोगी डिप्यूटी सेमना प्रजा पुनमक्ता फंगन बिगदबनी बोलम सिंह से फंगलक्तब तारगदी प्रजा मियामगा लोइनना उनालना अकनबा खोंजंग चंगसिलकनी.
Convener of Land Surveillance Committee Manipur Zone Langthasa stated in a press release that inclusion of some villages next to Bishnupur in Kangpope district and inclusion of some villages which can be part of Imphalis district in Senapati district is for political convenience, not administrative convenience. John Lathangsa said the committee is organizing a public meeting on boundary demarcation to be carried out under a retired judge and appealed to people to take part in the meeting. Hypo Jadonang Park at Kaisampad, which was dedicated to the people on the 84th date anniversary of the freedom fighter on August 29, 2015, is now in a deplorable condition. Despite being situated in the heart of the capital city, the park has become a dumping ground due to negligence of the authority concerned. The fountain at the park has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes and the garden is covered in thick bush. The recent rain has worsened the condition of the garden. It may be mentioned that a statue of the freedom fighter Hypo Jadonang stands tall in the garden. The apex body of Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur Trade Unions Council (AMTUK) and All Manipur Government Employees Organization (MGO) have drawn the attention of the government of Manipur to adopt the said central pay, stop all forms of service extensions, engagement, re-engagement of retired employees of Government of India Office Memorandum, implement the Supreme Court order regarding minimum pay for Home Guard employees, and to establish Manipur State Selection Commission for recruitment of Group C employees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for making 2017 as a year for resolve. In his Mann Ki Baat on All India Radio, Modi said the need for today is not do or die, but to resolve to come together, persevere and work relentlessly with utmost strength towards making a new India. He also called for launching a mega campaign Sankalp Se Siddhi attainment through resolve from the 9th of this August. He said the resolve will be fulfilled in the next 5 years. The Prime Minister suggested youth and students organization and NGOs to organize group discussions to bring forth new ideas. He said 5 years from now, the country will celebrate 75 years of country's independence. He said the month of August is a year of revolution. The non-cooperation movement was launched on the 1st of August 1920, Quit India movement on 9th of August 1942, and on August 15, 1947, India became independent. On goods and services tax GST, Modi expressed his happiness and satisfaction and said that its benefits are reaching the poor. He has been observing how the GST has impacted the transport and logistics sector and how the movement of trucks have increased and pollution levels have come down with the increase of trucks. He said its festival is directly linked with the financial conditions of the poorest of the poor. He said the poor can get an opportunity to earn an income during Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Ganesh Utsav, Chauth Chandra, Durga Puja and Diwali, and this adds a spontaneous joy to the festivities. Modi noted that for the first time when women did not succeed in winning the World Cup, the 125 million people took this defeat on their own shoulder, never letting down the burden weigh down the Indian daughters. The Prime Minister invited people to send their views either on MyGov platform or on Narendra Modi app for this year's Independence Day speech. Members of Manipur Friendship Organization destroyed tobacco products worth 50,000 rupees in the local market. The tobacco products, including Jarda, Khaini and Talab, were seized 2 to 3 days ago from dealers of Ngari Gali. The seized items were burnt in front of the organization's office at Babupara in presence of media persons. President of Manipur Friendship Organization S.M. Hansan appealed to the people to help wipe out intoxicants and tobacco products completely from the state and expressed sadness over the deaths of 3 persons and hospitalization of some others after consuming liquor at Oinam, Sawangpum.
Sendong Pangnavidamata Karwala Sing Masing Sing Chogum Hangalabis Masidagi, Topiu, Labak Tiba Todo Amada, Yungo Tobadagi, Lake Hidapsing to Matanga, Mafronam Noitaba, Pondokse, the Masigi Marueva, Maramse, Akogi, Tiny Pipons in a season ramba, Yungo se Hidaki and season ramba Haksang Panabagi, season ramba Polamasang Assi, Sungiba, Singna Karwala, on top of the chemical Kaya Puto, Hapsan Duna, Yam Hena Tuna Putopayaba, Adumbo, Winabagi Lions
Club Thobal Greater under Lions Club International District 322D held installation program of new board of directors for the Lionistic year 2017-18 today at Wycombe Money Girls College. Leaders and members of Lions Club International District 322D took part in the said event. An audition for child artists was held today at Manipur Digital Films. Midfilm Production organized the audition at Lamyan Basanglen Palace compound to select child artists for 3 children films, namely Laisu, Tanglai and The Colors of Nawa the Corn. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur L. Surjakanta, Vice Chairman Oken Amakcham, actor Tonthoy Nganbi and choreographer Satarjit Thiam were the jury members. Radhakrishna Film Productions Aibu Hinkhora Aibu Sikhora was launched today at an event held at Hotel Nirmala. Krishna Kumar Gurumayum is the producer of the film, while the story, screenplay and lyrics were done by Hirojit Nauroibam. Tej Salam will direct the film. Health Minister L. Jayantikumar and President of Film Forum L. Surjakanta were among those present at the event. Salam Youth Learners Club, Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Imphal West opened a yoga center at Salam Kangjebung Community Hall today. The center was opened to help people lead a healthy life by practicing yoga. A regular canoeing and kayaking coaching camp will be held from August 10 under the guidance of Chief Coach of All Manipur Canoeing and Kayaking Association and Austin. Animal Gym Khoyathong celebrated its 15th Foundation Day at Khoyathong Polem Lekai today. The first Manipuri Mr. India Nongthongba Maipak, Master Athletic Federation of India National President B. Angok Sana, Strong Men of India 1975 Pebam Robindro were attended the event. Animal Gym was established 15 years ago with the objective to achieve a healthy and strong society. It has been helping villages and educational institutes in the hills and valley to set up gyms. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren says Prime Minister has been requested to lay foundation of Sports University by mid-August. Minister Shyam Kumar announces 20 lakh rupees from local area fund for differently abled persons of Andro constituency. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Mann Ki Baat calls for making 2017 as a year for resolve.